너무 못생겼다.
전 세계적으로 보면 가장 못생긴 동물 중에 하나로 손꼽히고 있죠.
Hear the jungle rhythm. Those birds are tap 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 in the tree trunks. The busy bee hums as he flies loud and clear to the jungle rhythm. Now you can hightail it out of the jungle, but it never leaves your heart. First you feel that beat start bubbling under, then hear the tom-tom's loudest thunder. It's moving me, sounds a lot like being free when you feel the jungle rhythm. Feel the jungle rhythm. Come on, Shanti! Can't do without rhythm. And when it fills the air, animals everywhere join in the dance. You'll dance along with them, feeling it steal your soul. We'll stomp our paws, flap our wings, maybe do one or two crazy things. Yeah, that's it.
여왕의 자리 차지하게 되면 평생 아무 것도 안 하면서 먹고 놀면서